when I be going to school, like when I be reading, it's English.
Damn, nigga! Yo, smoke detector got a switch on it? What the fuck was that? Nigga, did your shit just triple beep?
Yo, I'm in the hood of the hood. How do I tell you?
I wanna play one game, bro. I go, but I don't, bro, because shit. Wait, let me shout out some motherfucking subs in this bitch. My nigga Monte, appreciate the sub. J Pro, shit, I can't even see the name, yo. Sub 51K, appreciate the sub. Mr. King Guy, appreciate the motherfucking sub. Box plays. Kevin King, Mark, I can't even help my nigga see this. Like, how did she get here? Like, we gotta talk about this, you know? Like, this can't be. Bro, like, this fucking smoke alarm got a switch, bro. Like, it's extreme, bro.
God, I hear that. I hear it echo throughout the house, but I can hear it echo throughout the house.
Take it. What you mean, take it, nigga? Pause.